Hemianolepsis nana, commonly called trap tapeworm, previously known as Vemprirolis nana. This one is the most common tapeworm in human, found throughout the world, commonly temperate zone. Morphology, it have two forms, adult worm and egg. Adult small in size, 4 cm into 1 mm. Neck is long and slender, it having 200 segment. This calyx is small, size 0.3 mm in diameter. Cup shaped. This calyx situated at anterior end has 4 suckers. Then egg, size 30 to 45 micrometer, spherical or oval in shape. This outer layer is thin colorless membrane. Inner one is embryophore. Between the two layer containing 4 to 8 polar filament. These polar filament are visible. Mode of infection, two-way, direct and indirect. Direct, injection of food or auto-infection. What is auto-infection? Without going any external environment. Egg are passed in the stool. Auto-infection occur when the egg released their cystocercoid that penetrate that intestine. That means the first stage of larva. Cystocercoid, first stage of larva that penetrate this intestine, not involving any external environment. Then indirect way, spindle and rat flea. Then life cycle, embryonated egg injected by human from contaminated food and water. Then his fecal material containing egg. This one is infective stage. This egg are injected by insect. Now it will develop into the larva stage. That larva stage name is called as cystocercoid, developed into the inside of the insect. Then human and rodent are infected when they inject cystocercoid larva. Then through contaminated food and water, again infect human. Then this larva form is injected by, this one is human, this one is the intermediate host. This first stage, cysticercoid developed intestinal villus. Now here development, this calyx and proclati development in small intestine. This part is the developed part. Here only sexual maturity will occur. So it will release the egg. Then it will infect through contaminated food and water to humans. Life cycle notes format, infected human stool containing this tapeworm egg. Then egg will develop into the first larva stage, cysticercoid. Then mature larva enter to small intestine. Then this adult worm entering sexual reproduction. That name is called as strobilization. Then calyx attached to the intestinal wall. What is calyx? Anterior end of tapeworm bearing sucker and hook for attachment. Then it will release the egg. Then it will cause auto-infection. Now pathogenesis, maximum usually asymptomatic only. Heavy infection, it will cause abdominal pain and diarrhea. Then diagnosis, microscopic test, stool, demonstration of characteristics of egg and fecal flotation examination. Then may causes eosinophilia. Then antibody detection by serological test. What are the tests we are using? Indirect hemagglutination test, indirect fluorescent assay test, EIA is otherwise called as ELISA test, or sensitive test for detecting antibodies in the serum of patient. Some other radiography, ultrasonography, CT scan test also using. Then treatment, praziquantel and nicotinamide. Then preventive method, good hygiene, well balanced diet, public health and sensitive program, we will control or eradicate trauma infection.